Welcome to the future of wellness, where the first step for all health concerns will be to simply start with the resetting and rebalancing of your cellular energy. The HyperBath Pro is not just for detoxing anymore. Today's advanced technology has given us a broader and deeper understanding of the world we live in and the life we are experiencing in these human bodies. At Healthier Living for You, we have been on the forefront of ionic therapies for over 20 years. We have seen a wide variety of positive, life-changing moments with some very challenged clients. Today, we are celebrating the advancement of ionic technologies with our HyperBath Pro full-body cellular energy rebalancing system. It's a beautiful, relaxing, and restorative hydrotherapy process. Our system provides a complete rebalance of the body's cellular energy, helping to improve your health and invigorate your body by stimulating the detoxification processes and charging the electromagnetic fields. Our painless cellular boosting process sends millions of charged ions into your body through the large pores in your feet, where the circulatory and lymphatic systems pick them up and transport them throughout the whole body. And just like that, your vitality and well-being is restored. Book a treatment today and try it out.